stalking Katrina. Jimmy likes girls. Jimmy really likes girls. Jimmy loves girls. So does Max. I'm a terrible cameraman. She's gonna come and eat me now. Nothing. Smile. Smile, Trina.
Freaking bug.
Hey guys!
Hey Zane.
Oh.
Wrong song.
Show me your boobs.
My what? My boots? Damn.
Wow.
Damn. Damn. Oh yeah.
Now shake it. You're so sexy.
I know.
So strong.
Since I got these incredible toes to fill it out.
Show me your boobs.
No.
Do it.
No. This isn't a very flattering shirt.
I know, that's why you take it off, dummy. I bet it look a lot better off you.
Take a picture of me!
She has beautiful eyes, doesn't she?
A picture of me!
I'm not taking a picture.
Take a picture of me
I'm not
too.
taking a picture.
Mom, please.
But Max doesn't want to see you.
I'll be Zane.
Are you being Spider-Man?
I'm Spider-Man. Hey, I need to get a Porky the Pig outfit. Because he wants to meet Porky the Pig.
Do some dancing. Oh, that's the ticket.
Have you gotten any pictures?
No, I'm taking a video. I was stalking you. I was like, Jimmy likes girls. Hey, stop crying. Not Katrina. Haha, she stepped in mud. It's all part of the outdoor experience. Gross! Stepped in mud. I didn't swear. Drop my inhaler. Okay, it's time for this to end. Katrina?